Still struggling to groom your wiggly pets at home? Are you over those stressful nail trims and ear cleanings? Let me introduce the Pet Dog Grooming Hammock Harness. This thing is comfy with its double-layer mesh fabric. Perfectly breathable and soft, so your fur baby stays calm. Got an active pet? No worries, there's an extra Velcro strap. It's super adjustable to fit most small and medium pets. And you get bonus nail clippers and a free nail file. Why spend more at the salon when you can do it at home? Make grooming easy, safe, and breezy. Grab yours now and give your pet the best grooming experience.